How to go live on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can go live on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. But before we start, make sure that you meet all the required conditions in order to go live on TikTok. First of all, you must be at least 16 years old to go live, and you need to at least have 1,000 followers to unlock the live features. So if you have all that requirements met, and here's how you can go live. First of all, you have to open up TikTok in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you land on your home page, you can navigate at the bottom of this interface. There you have a plus icon, so tap on it. Once you get to this interface, navigate at the very bottom. There you have an option as live in the navigation bar if your account meet all the required conditions in order to unlock the live feature. So from there you have to swipe to the live option. And if you don't see the live option, you may not meet the requirement yet. And here in my case, I don't have the feature unlocked yet. After that, you can enter the title for your live stream, which will make it catchy and relevant. Then you can also choose a cover image and add effects or filters. Once you're done, tap on Go Live button to start the broadcasting. And in this way, you can go live on TikTok, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.